Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website. This is a fantastic way to streamline appointment bookings and allow visitors to schedule time with you directly from your site without any back and forth emails. To get started, open your browser and navigate to GoDaddy.com. Once you're there, type in your credentials to log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all aspects of your website and domain. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can access and edit your live site. You'll now be on your website overview page, which gives you a snapshot of your site's current status and performance. On the right side of your screen, locate the Edit Site button and click on it. This action opens up your website editor, where you can make live changes to your site's design and content. Now, to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website, start by thinking about where you want your Calendly widget to appear. Once you've decided on the position, click on Add Section. When you do this, a right side menu will appear. This is your Elements panel, where you can choose from various components to add to your site. From the Elements panel, locate the option labeled Files and Web, then click on it. This section contains tools for embedding external content. Look for the HTML option and click Add. This will insert an HTML code editor into your chosen section, which is exactly what we need to embed the Calendly widget. Once the HTML code editor has been added to your site, open a new browser tab and head over to Calendly.com. From your Calendly dashboard, locate the widget or scheduling event you wish to add to your website. Click on the checkbox to select it, then click on the three-dot icon, which represents your share options. From the options that appear, click on Add to Website. You'll now see 3 different embedding options presented to you. For this tutorial, click on Pop-up Widget, which creates a sleek, non-intrusive scheduling button on your site. Then click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, Calendly will generate an embed code specifically for your widget. Copy this embed code by clicking the Copy Code button below the code box. This code is what will bring your Calendly functionality to life on your GoDaddy site. Once you've copied it, head back to your GoDaddy website editor. Paste this embed code into the HTML element we added earlier. Make sure the code is pasted cleanly without any extra spaces or characters. After pasting, click Done to finalize the embedding process. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly into your GoDaddy website, making it easier than ever for visitors to book appointments with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.